Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Dear students, conceptual MCQs आज फिजिक्स क्लास 9 यूनिट नंबर 2 काइनेमैटिक्स से लिए गए हैं। आपने इन MCQs को बहुत अच्छे तरीके से तैयार करना है ताकि पेपर में आने वाले MCQs में से कोई आपका MCQ रह न जाए। इसके अलावा ये बहुत हेल्प करते हैं मुख्तलिफ टेस्ट्स में। तो चलो बढ़ते हैं। The slope of a distance time graph shows A speed, B displacement, C acceleration, D distance. The correct answer is speed. We take A. The formula of velocity: A, V is equal to T over D, B, V is equal to D over T, V is equal to H plus T, V is equal to T plus H. The correct answer is option B, V is equal to D over T. Name of famous scientist who performed experiment on Leaning Tower of Pisa: A. Pascal, B. Newton, C. Galileo, D. Einstein. Correct answer is Galileo. So we take C. Length of half of a circle with radius r is equal to A pi r square, B pi r, C 2 pi r, D pi r cube. The correct answer is pi r. So we tick at B. Product of velocity and time: A mass, B force, C acceleration, D displacement. The correct answer is displacement. So we take option D. A sprinter completes its 100-meter race in 12 seconds. Its average speed is A 100 meter per second, B 12 meter per second, C 8 meter per second, D 8.33 meter per second. When we divide 100 by 12, it becomes equal to 8.33 meter per second. So we take option D. Meter per second is equal to option A 3.6 km per hour, B 1 over 3.6 km per hour, C 6.3 km per hour, D 1 over 6.3 km per hour. The correct answer is 3.6 km per hour. That is option A. Unit of velocity: A meter, B meter per second square, C meter per second, D cubic meter. The correct answer is meter per second. So we take C. A car starts from rest. It acquires a speed of 25 meter per second. After 20 seconds, the distance moved by the car during this time is, formula is S is equal to VI plus VF over 2 multiplied by T. It is equal to 25 multiplied by 20 divided by 2. It is equal to 250. A 31.25 meter, B 250 meter, C 500 meter, D 5000 meter. The correct answer is 250 meter. So we take B. A train is moving at a speed of 36 km per hour. Its speed expressed in meter per second is 36 multiplied by 1000 divided by 3600. It becomes equal to 10 meter per second. Option A 10 meter per second, B 20 meter per second, C 25 meter per second, D 30 meter per second. The correct answer is 10 meter per second. So we take A. A change in position is called A speed, B velocity, C displacement, D distance. Correct answer is displacement. So we take C. A ball is thrown vertically upward. Its velocity at the highest point is A minus 10 meter per second, B 0, C 10 meter per second square, D, none of these. When ball is at highest position, is velocity is 0, so we take B. By dividing displacement of a moving body with time, we obtain A, speed, B, acceleration, C, velocity, D, deceleration. The correct answer is velocity, so we take C. Which of the following is a vector quantity? Speed, B, distance, C, displacement, D, power. Displacement is vector quantity, so we take C. The motion of a body about an axis is called A, circular motion, B, rotatory motion, C, vibratory motion, D, random motion. B option is correct, rotatory motion. A body has translative motion if it moves along A, straight line, B, circle, C, line without rotation, D, curved path. C is correct answer, line without rotation. The scientist who noticed that all the freely falling objects have same acceleration is A, Newton, B, Galileo, C, Coulomb, D, Einstein. The correct answer is Galileo, so we take B. LIDAR, LIDAR gun is used to calculate vehicle, A, velocity, B, acceleration, C, speed, D, distance. C, speed is correct answer. The velocity of falling paratrooper is called A, variable velocity, B, terminal velocity, C, uniform velocity, D, average velocity. It is terminal velocity, so we take B. Pressure is a quantity, A, scalar, B, vector, C, base, D, none of these. It is a scalar quantity, so we take A. Brownian motion is an example of motion, A, random, B, linear, C, circular, D, vibratory. It is a random motion, so we take A. The average speed of cheetah is A, 60 km per hour, B, 75 km per hour, C, 70 km per hour, D, 80 km per hour. It is 70 km per hour. The fastest bird, falcon, has a speed of 100 km per hour, 200 km per hour, 300 km per hour, 400 km per hour. It is 200 km per hour, that is B. A ball is dropped from the top of tower. The distance covered by it in the first second is, it is equal to A, 100 meter, B, 10 meter, C, 50 meter, D, 5 meter. The correct answer is 5 meter, so we take D. When a body is falling down freely under the gravity, then its equation of motion A is replaced by A, M, B, D, C, S, or D, G. D is the correct answer. The slope of straight line in speed time graph gives the magnitude of A, force, B, displacement, C, torque, D, acceleration. D is the correct answer, acceleration. In equations of motions, quantities opposite to the direction of initial velocity are taken as A, uniform, B, variable, C, positive, D, negative. D is the correct answer, negative. In equations of motion, acceleration will always be A, uniform, B, variable, C, positive, D, negative. Acceleration will be always be uniform, so we take A. In equation of motion, motion will always be taken along line. A circular, B straight, C elliptical, D none of these. It is a straight line motion, so we take B. The quantity which are described by magnitude as well as direction is called A vector, B scalar, C speed, D acceleration. It is a vector quantity, so we take A. The direction of motion of a body and acceleration is in opposite direction, then acceleration will be A uniform, B positive, C negative, D zero. The acceleration will be negative, so we take option C. The velocity and acceleration of a body moving with uniform speed in a circular path will be in same direction, B in opposite direction, C mutually perpendicular, D equal. C is the correct answer. They will be mutually perpendicular. So we take C. SI unit of acceleration is A meter per second, B kilometer per hour, C kilometer per second square, D meter per second square. D is the correct answer, meter per second square. If the velocity of a body is uniform, then its acceleration will be A positive, B negative, C 0, D uniform. Its acceleration will be 0. So we take C. If the velocity of the body is increasing, then its acceleration will be A positive, B negative, C uniform, D variable. Its acceleration will be positive. So we take A. If the speed and direction of the motion of the moving body does not change with time, then its velocity is said to be A uniform, B variable, C constant, D all of these. Its velocity will be uniform. So we take A. The area under the speed time graph gives A speed, B volume, C acceleration, D distance. D distance is the correct answer, so we take option D. Total length of a path between 2 points is known as A velocity, B acceleration, C speed, D distance. D distance is the correct answer, so we take point D. When a body moves to and fro about a point and repeats its motion again and again about the same point, then this motion is known as A translatory, B vibratory, C rotatory, D none of these. The correct answer is vibratory, that is written in option B. So we take option B, that is vibratory. Which one of the following is a vector quantity? A displacement, B speed, C volume, D work. Displacement is a vector quantity, so we take A. If a body changes its position with respect to some observer, then it will be in the state of A rest, B motion, C uniform motion, D relative motion. It will be in motion, so we take option B. The study of motion without discussing its causes is called A kinematics, B dynamics, C heat, D motion. Kinematics, option A is the correct answer. The study of motion of bodies is known as A heat, B light, C atomic physics, D mechanics. So D is the correct answer. See you with the next lecture. Allah Hafiz.